What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Coach K with the nugget of the day. Plans, your plans. A lot of times in life, the plans are not going to go how you want them to go. You know, you can plan all day to the T how you want your plans, right? And guess what? It's not going to go like that. But life has a way of throwing those wrenches in there so you can understand. Not that your plans won't work, but there's something better and greater for you. So today, if your plan is not going the way you want it to go, remember, something bigger, something greater is coming. That's what that means. It's not to get you discouraged or anything like that, because you got to remember, just because your plans didn't work out today doesn't mean it's not going to work tomorrow. It's Coach K signing off. Peace.